Sadie Sens's recipes.
Southern Ladies Recipes. Yes, welcome to Southern Ladies Recipes. Thank you all so much for joining me. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and comment at the bottom. As you can tell, we have some Slap Your Mama. We have some flour, cornstarch, baking powder. We got our peanut oil. If you do not have seltzer, you can use club soda. We got our garlic powder, and we got some cayenne pepper, a lobster tail. Now, we did have 2 king crab legs, and I received these king crab legs from Floyd's Meat and Seafood in Sherwood, Arkansas. So I'll put the link below, okay? But I did have 2 king crab legs, but one decided to jump in the water and cook itself, and it got ate. So I think we're just gonna have to work with one tonight, huh? But it's okay. It is all right. So what are we making? We're making tempura style king crab legs and lobster tail. So come on, guys. Let's get ready to make this what? Goody goodness. Okay, in our mixing bowl, I put 1 cup of flour, 1 heaping teaspoon of baking powder, and our cornstarch. Okay, I also put our cayenne pepper, our Slap Your Mama seasoning, and our garlic powder in the mix. Did the flip of the wrist with the whisk, and now it's time to put our club soda in. Make sure your club soda is super duper cold, okay? So we're just gonna pour it in and mix it together. Ooh. And while you're getting ready to do everything, make sure you get your heat going, your peanut oil in your pan and your skillet. So when it's time to dip, it's time to dip. Dip, baby, dip. Dip, baby, dip. So let's get that all stirred in together. And what you want your mix to be really not super duper loose, but you don't want it too thick either, okay? So just stir this in together. Oh, yeah, yes. Oh, if y'all could see. Even the seasoning smell good. Oh, Lord. This is finna be on and popping, ain't it? Okay. So we're going to take our king crab, and we're just going to dip it in the mix. Ooh. Yes, 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 yes. So your consistency should be thick, but not too thick and not too runny, okay? I cut our lobster tail down in half, so we're just gonna dredge it on in there. Make sure you get the excess off. All right. So we're just gonna do everything like this. Ooh, wee. Yes. I've been waiting for this all day. When I say all day. I really, really have. So we're just gonna continue to dip the rest of our seafood in our tempura batter, and we're gonna get ready to fry it up, baby. All right, it's time to fry these bad boys up. So you know how we do when we want to check the oil, put our hand over, make sure it's hot, but old school, you throw a little flour in the pan. Ooh, yeah, it's ready to go now. So we're just gonna lay our crab legs in this really hot grease. Oh, snap, crackle, and pop. We got our lobster tail. You know, like I told you, I cut them in half. So what we're gonna do is just cook these until they're nice and golden brown on both sides, okay? I hope y'all had a great day today. And again, It's my birthday month, so I'm doing a video every day for the month of January. And while this is cooking, I got me a little butter sauce going on. Nothing fancy, just a little cayenne pepper, a little slap your mama, some garlic powder, some crushed red pepper. You know, just a little some. Then you're just gonna flip them over. Ooh, yes. Oh, this is it. Oh snap! You know it don't take long to cook. Let me see it. Let me send it. Flip it over. Let me see it. All right. It smells delicious. I cannot wait to put this goody goodness in my mouth and try it. Y'all have got to, you know what? And I did a good thing today. I did my hair so y'all can see my reaction. You don't have to imagine what my expression is going to be like when I take a bite of these. Oh, yeah. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Okay, I'm going to give just a couple more seconds. And it's time to take it on out. Ooh-wee. Y'all see this? Ooh-wee. Yes, that looks delicious, doesn't it? My lobster and my king crab. And again, we would have had another one, but hey, we had to make sure it wasn't poisonous, okay? Again, I received the king crab from Floyd's Meat and Seafood in Sherwood, Arkansas. So I'm going to post the link below to his website, okay? And like I said, I made a little butter with some garlic powder, some slap your mama, some cayenne pepper, some red pepper flakes, if I can get the word out. And I had 1 stick of butter. So you all know what time it is. It is tasty time. Did someone say tasty time? So I have my butter right here. And I have one of the cloves. So we're just gonna dip. Y'all ready? Ooh. 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 I bet you're like, get to it. I'm getting to it. I just got to dip it real good in this butter. Ooh, y'all ready? Here we go. It's tasty time. Mmm. Oh my God. Oh, it's so good. Mmm. Ooh, man. Ooh, man. This is it right here. The crab. The crab and lobster tempura. You gotta do it. You gotta try it. It's awesome. It's delicious. Y'all see I still got butter on my face? Good. So thank you again for coming to Southern Ladies Recipes. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and comment at the bottom. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. My page, your new favorite channel on YouTube. Bye.